Welcome. This is how to send a voice message on WhatsApp. So, first thing is, of course, just simply open the WhatsApp application into your device. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and select the message inbox that you want to send your voice message to. From here, just simply select the microphone icon. You could just simply hold it, and from here tap on allow, and you can just simply hold it again, and you just simply tap it, and after that you should be able to send it directly. You can pause it, you could have a delete, and when you tap on the number one over here at the top of the send, you should be able to set to view only once. So pretty much you will have all of the settings over here. Once you are done, select send, and you should be able to send that voice message. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.